Thank you for having me. The pleasure is mine. No, it was not difficult to start a shipping company in the local market. Instead of opting to go with the old brick and mortar model, where we have customers joining long lines that wraps around buildings, waiting for up to 40 minutes to collect their packages, with the companies actually not knowing anything about those customers, we decided to take the 21st century model and build a totally digital company. For example, we have systems where our customers can track their packages from the moment it arrives to our warehouse up to the point where it is delivered into their hands. You see, the world is changing and is being driven by data. We have to build our systems to be adaptable. I'll give you an example. There are times when we send package out for delivery and our customer receives information that causes them to have to move from their location. Our systems are built so that we can deliver packages to security guards at complexes or even family members and still keep our customers updated. This is a level of convenience that we've built into our system to serve our customers even better. So we have thousands of customers. The bulk of them are Jamaicans living in North America and England. You see, the internet is breaking all sorts of boundaries. These customers are used to shopping online on places like Amazon, AliExpress, and having their packages delivered to their doorsteps. I guess they just want to extend that first world service to their family members here in Jamaica. And that is why they're no longer packing barrels and sending to their family members for them to go face customs. They're opting to use our service. We're in the business of shipping our customers' packages. So whatever they send to us, we will ship. You see, our business operates just like FedEx and DHL, but we have more flexibility and the capacity to ship and deliver anything our customers get to us. As long as the customer gets the package to their mailbox, it is our pleasure to ship it to them and deliver it to their doorsteps here in Jamaica. Our internal team has the ability to touch 1.2 million doors in Jamaica. For the remaining 1.8 million doors, we touch them using strategic partnership with Knoxville Express and Sydney. If you live in Port Antonio or St. Elizabeth, we can deliver to you via Knoxville Express. Take for example a person who lives in Trelawney. Chances are they'll have to go to Montego Bay to access services such as ours. For those customers, we can reach them via Knoxville Express. It is our interest to touch every single door in Jamaica, but for now, we're using our strategic partnership to service all customers. Yeah, I can see why customers would think that, because we've created a list of over 600 retailers. So persons think that they can shop on our website, but we are a shipping company. We just want to make it convenient for you to find retailers that you can shop with. When you shop, then shipping can occur. We're just doing this to make it convenient for our customers. That is a misconception. Facebook data has revealed that over 500,000 transactions were processed from Jamaicans within the last 12 months. Even companies like Amazon are making it possible for customers without a credit card to shop online. They have partnered with Western Union, allowing customers to purchase items and then pay for them at a Western Union store. We are also doing our part. We have created our Please Buy It For Me feature. This feature allows customers to have their relatives and friends who live overseas to purchase items on their behalf. We're happy to ship those items to their doorsteps here in Jamaica. Yes, our customers definitely pay customs duties. The government's tariffs cannot be avoided. But you'll be amazed to know that our customers are so well educated. They know that when they're shipping personal items that are under $50, customs duties are not applied. We're different from our competitors in so many ways. We offer 24 hours customer service, 7 days a week delivery. We allow our customers to pay by a plethora of methods, whether credit card or debit card, PayPal, Zelle, online transfer, or they can even walk into a branch and make a deposit to our account. We offer our customers text alert. As far as I know, we're the only one using that technology right now. We just make it convenient for our customers to shop and ship. We're here to serve. Okay, and thanks for your interest in us.